Hi YouTube, this is Lady T. Hi YouTube. So today's video is about how I make my shea butter mix for face and body and hair cream. So guys, we'll be needing, this is my organic rosemary oil that I made. You can see it. This is rosemary and this and olive oil. So we'll be needing this organic rosemary oil and vitamin E oil and soya oil. I use this because it is pure. I add this too. I'll be needing extra virgin olive oil, 100%. You can see it. This organic. And then we'll be needing our shea butter. And then we'll be needing honey, 100% Italian honey. You can see it. I add this very liquid. This 100%, we'll get it too. And this is essential oils that I use. And we'll be needing this mixer and a bowl and a spoon. So let's get started, guys. This is what you will need, and we will be needing our hand too. So guys, I'll be putting some of the shea butter. You can see it. Just add some to it. This will be okay. You can make as many as you want. I still have some, that is why I'm making a little today. So you will then take your extra virgin olive oil, shake it very well. You can see it. This is it. Shake it. Add some drops. This is what I added. Take your soya oil. You can add 2 spoons. This one I'm adding 1. Then for my I add 1. You can add 2, as many as you want. Next, I'll be making a video on how I did this. You can see it. I blended the. I'll add some drops of this vitamin E oil. It is almost finished. This is the honey, 100% Italian honey. You add some. I add at least 1. And all this, you can use this to cook. You can use the oil to cook, except these ones. You cannot use this to cook. But I use this to cook. This is my organic one that I made. So I'll be adding the 3T essential oil, 100%. You add some. No, I'll add it later. If you have your coconut oil, you can still put it. Let me add more of this. This is raw from Nigeria. So you then take your blend, what is it called? Mixer. You can add, I do add, then in addition, we'll add castor oil. You can see it, some drops of castor oil. Add 1 full spoon. Then I'll add my organ oil from Morocco. A friend of mine bought it from Morocco. So I'll be adding 1 spoon of it. You can add 2 if you want. Then we mix everything. Okay, it is now ready. So guys, I've finished blending it. You can see it. So creamy. So now you can then add your essential oils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I add 10 drops of 3T or any type of essential oil you like. I add these 2, about 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Eucalyptus blue groom. I don't know what it is, but I saw it in YouTube. They use it, and this is good for if you have rashes on your skin. It will clear it with 3T essential oil. Then you mix it very well. Mix it. And this, I mix it this way. This is good for the body, for the face, and for your hair. This essential, this 100% pure shea butter mix that I did. So we'll need a container. I use this. This is an old cream. This thing I have. Apply this way. Put it inside. A clean container. So guys, this is the shea butter mix that I did. So thank you guys for watching my video. I love you all. Try it, give it a try, and you will like it. And this is for the face. This is how I'll be applying it on my body and hair. And this is for the face. You can see it. This is my shea butter mix. Thanks guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and share this video to all your friends.